Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Quick Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you how to save some money with some DIY strap locks. So for starters, let's talk about strap locks for a second. Strap locks are something, as opposed to strap buttons, that lock your guitar straps into place and make sure that they can't come off so that you never drop your guitar again. I've got a set of Schallers right here. They're made in Germany. I'll show you how they work in a second. If you do decide that you don't want to bother with the DIY method and you want the best, you want something that's going to work really well, let you take it on and off easily and still have all of that safety, you can grab a set of these. They're available in the description under my influencer page for Amazon. Check those out if that's what you want. However, that's not the point of today's video. Today, I'm gonna show you how to save yourself a whole bunch of money and just make something that's gonna keep your straps in place, period. Did I say make something? You barely even have to make something, really. You have to drink 2 beers. Can you drink 2 beers? If you can't, get somebody else to. So first things first here, let's do a quick demo of the actual strap locks. Here's the deal. We've got our strap button. The strap goes on and off of the strap button like that. That's all there is to it. You put it on, you take it off. It just kind of sits on there and you hope that this is gonna hold it in place. So because this is kind of like my daily player guitar, what I'm gonna do is upgrade this with the actual strap locks so you can get a quick look at those. And then I'll show you how my cheap version works and why it will be, well, basically just as safe. So really all we have to do for this is take off the one that's on there. Pretty straightforward. It just unscrews. And there we go. So that is a strap button. Not much to it. All right, so now let's replace it with these strap locks. So these are gonna go on with an Allen key instead. So you're gonna have to find the right hex head to screw these on. So luckily, guitar stuff tends to be fairly standard, and this is, as one might expect, a 3mm hex head, the same that you use for locking nuts generally and adjustments to the bridge on this guitar. But anyway, we're gonna get that screwed in with that. Next, we lock this in to our strap. So this consists of 2 parts. We got the part that locks onto our guitar and the part that locks the strap into place. So all we have to do, take the part that goes on the guitar, pass it through the strap, and then take the other part and screw it in place, and it'll lock that in there nice and tight. And it'll never come out. Right, so that is what keeps that in place. Now these also have a hole in there that allows you to stick something in if you want to be able to tighten it even more. And they have a set screw if you want to really make sure that this is never going to undo itself. Once you've got that in like that, you just simply slide it on and it's locked. It's not going anywhere. To take it off, you actually have to pull this top part and release it. Okay, so now that we're all thoroughly versed in strap locks, let's talk about the alternative. It's these. So these are the tops of bottles, essentially. And you can get them, they come on various bottles. Grolsch Beer, I think, has them. So you're welcome, people at Grolsch, if this results in a bunch of people drinking your beer for some reason. This is the part that seals over the top. What you need off here is this little orange thing. Pull that off. That is our strap lock. Most of you probably get it right now, but some of you are like, the hell are you talking about? I'll show you. What we're basically gonna do is put everything on from the bottom because that's smaller. So we're gonna start with this, bring it in from the bottom here, and that's gonna fill most of that space. There's very little room left for the strap, which is just fine. That's gonna give us some extra locking power. And basically the strap is gonna be right against your guitar. So you put your little felt pad on after like you normally would. And then we go ahead and get this screwed in. So once we've got this all screwed in here, then we don't have to worry anymore. There's really no way for that strap to come off. All right, guys, so that's it. That's your Quick Tip Tuesday. That is how you make your own strap locks. They're not the coolest looking thing ever, but they work. There's no danger of that coming off now. So hey, I hope that helped, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And I'm curious, let me know in the comments, which one do you prefer? As always, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Have a good one.